Hey, I'm Martin and I help manufacturers to make great quality products. So today I'd like to explore how digital tools are transforming lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing focuses on minimizing waste and maximizing value, a systematic approach that originated from the Toyota production system. So lean manufacturing operates on these key principles: value stream mapping to eliminate non-value added activities, just-in-time production to reduce inventory costs, and continuous improvement or Kaizen for ongoing process enhancement. And these principles have significantly impacted manufacturing worldwide, fostering efficiency, quality, and continuous improvement. And by eliminating waste, improving quality, and increasing flexibility, Lean has enabled manufacturers worldwide to reduce their costs, respond swiftly to any market changes or demands. So today, let's discuss how digital tools can enhance these core principles. So with value stream mapping, real-time data collection, analytics and visualization, manufacturers can track and analyze every step in the production, identifying efficiencies and bottlenecks with greater precision. So dynamic interactive dashboards are easily updated and shared, facilitating better communication and collaboration. IoT devices that continuously monitor and feedback, they really allow teams to have quick adjustments and continuous improvements. For example, one of our automotive clients used our manufacturing execution system to track production times on a multi-stage assembly line. The real-time data helped them to balance their tasks across all the workers, maximizing the output per shift and ensuring a better balanced production line. And they've also improved just-in-time production, real-time inventory management, predictive analytics, and automated supply chains ensure that materials are ordered and delivered just precisely when they're needed. And analytics can help forecast demand more accurately, reducing overproduction or stockouts. Automated systems help here by streamlining communication and coordination with suppliers, minimizing lead times to ensure that smooth flow of materials to keep the process going. So one of our clients uses real-time tracking boards automatically updated from the shop floor to monitor the progress of items through the factory. They also use automated notifications and uploads to clients, freeing up valuable employee time and improving the quality and productivity of their processes. So continuous improvements. AI and machine learning are identifying patterns and predicting potential issues, which is aiding with proactive problem solving and process optimization. By having real-time feedback loops that allows immediate adjustments and enhancements, it can foster a culture of continuous improvements because action can be taken quickly. And then digital collaboration tools facilitate communication and idea sharing so that everyone can take part. So our Metis Taskers provides real-time data that our clients are using to prioritize what they should focus their efforts on. One client is using displays that show the biggest difference between actual and standard variances, just prioritizing which products they should focus on first. So with waste reduction, digital tools are helping with insights and advanced analytics. Sensor data is monitoring every aspect of the production process, highlighting where there's areas for improvement. And then automated quality control systems are being used to detect defects early in the process, reducing rework and scrap. And then finally, predictive maintenance can be used for monitoring equipment health, predicting and reducing and preventing downtime before it happens. So one of our clients reduced their rework by 80% just by adding in simple quality control checks early in the assembly process. This proactive approach ensures issues are detected and addressed early, promoting a right first time philosophy. So digital tools have really transformed lean manufacturing, driving efficiency, quality, and continuous improvement. From value stream mapping through to just-in-time production, continuous improvement and waste reduction, digital tools provide the real-time data necessary to optimize every aspect of the manufacturing process and really accelerate those lean manufacturing techniques. As these tools continue to evolve, the role in transforming lean, I think, will only become more vital, ensuring that manufacturers can keep competitive and innovate into the future. So thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to dive deeper into this topic, be sure to check out the full article on our blog. There you'll find more insights and tools to fuel your digital transformation journey. Thanks a lot for watching.